In modern warfare, technology plays a pivotal role in shaping the battlefield. One such innovation that has revolutionized military operations is drone technology. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have transformed the way armies conduct reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat missions. These unmanned aircraft come in various shapes and sizes, each designed to serve a specific purpose on the battlefield. Reconnaissance drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors provide real-time intelligence by gathering vital information about enemy positions, terrain, and potential threats. They enable military commanders to make informed decisions without putting soldiers in harm's way. Surveillance drones are similar to reconnaissance drones but focus more on monitoring and tracking enemy movements over extended periods. They enhance situational awareness and help detect any hostile activity, allowing troops to respond swiftly and effectively. Combat drones, on the other hand, are armed with missiles, bombs, or other weapon systems. They are used to neutralize enemy targets with precision and minimal collateral damage. Combat drones significantly reduce the risk to human pilots while increasing the accuracy and lethality of military strikes. In addition to their offensive capabilities, drones also play a crucial role in defensive operations. They can intercept incoming threats such as missiles or enemy aircraft, providing a layer of protection for military installations and personnel. Furthermore, drones have proven invaluable in unconventional warfare and counterinsurgency operations. Their ability to gather intelligence covertly and execute targeted strikes has made them a formidable tool against terrorist organizations and insurgent groups. However, while drone technology offers numerous benefits to modern militaries, it also raises ethical and legal concerns. The use of drones in warfare has sparked debates over issues such as civilian casualties, privacy rights, and the ethics of remote warfare. Despite these challenges, the integration of drone technology into military operations is inevitable. As advancements continue to improve their capabilities and effectiveness, drones will remain a key asset for armies around the world, shaping the future of warfare. For more information on drone technology and its impact on the military, stay tuned to our channel for future updates.